It's early morning in the Gambia, and I decided now to let Boy Boy, or the bouncer, sleep outside my gate because he has a tendency to destroy the garden. Normally he stands right at the gate when I'm coming, but today he was missing, so we were starting to worry, but I guess he just found a cool occupation that kept him busy because half an hour later he arrived in this shape. Must have had great fun somewhere in the mud. In the mud. Boy, where have you been? You're going again? Yeah, his quality of life is perfect from my point of view. He's only a bit bouncy.